Hey, future millionaires, ever dream of retiring early, owning that flashy car? Well, investing in the stock market could be your ticket to the good life. It's not about gambling or getting rich quick. Investing is about building wealth over time, like planting a seed that grows into a mighty oak. Imagine owning a tiny piece of amazing companies like Apple or Amazon. As those companies grow, so does your money. That's the power of the stock market. It's about participating in the success of businesses you believe in. This isn't just for Wall Street hotshots. Investing is for everyone, and it's easier than you think, so buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey together. Your journey to financial freedom. Ready to learn how to turn your dreams into reality? Let's dive in. Okay, let's break it down. What exactly is a stock? Think of it like a tiny ownership slice of a company called a share. When you buy stock, you become a part owner, a shareholder. And guess what? As a shareholder, you get to share in the company's profits. Pretty cool, right? Now, the stock market is like a giant online marketplace where these shares are bought and sold. Think of it like Amazon, but for stocks. Companies list their shares on the stock market and people like you and me can buy them. As the company performs well, demand for its stock goes up, and its price rises. And when the price rises, your investment grows. Remember, investing in the stock market is a long-term game. It's about patiently holding on to your investments and letting them grow over time. So are you ready to own a piece of your favorite companies and watch your money grow? Let's do this. Before you jump headfirst into the stock market, let's get you prepared. First things first, define your goals. What are you saving for? A down payment on a house, your dream vacation, retirement? Having clear goals will help you stay focused and motivated. Next, let's talk about risk. Investing always involves some level of risk. It's like riding a roller coaster. There will be ups and downs, but the key is to understand your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with big swings in your investments, or do you prefer a smoother ride? Your risk tolerance will guide your investment choices. Finally, you'll need a brokerage account. Think of it as your online stock market shopping cart. It's where you'll buy and sell stocks. There are many great brokerage accounts out there, so shop around and find one that's right for you. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. By setting clear goals, understanding your risk tolerance, and choosing the right brokerage account, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful investor. So, gear up and get ready to conquer the stock market. Now let's talk about the stars of the show stocks. Just like there are different types of cars, there are different types of stocks. You've got your big established companies like blue chip stocks. They're like the reliable SUVs of the stock market. Then you have your smaller, faster growing companies like growth stocks, think sports cars. And just like you wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket, you shouldn't put all your money in one stock. That's where diversification comes in. It's about spreading your investments across different types of stocks to reduce your risk. Think of it like having a balanced diet for your portfolio. Remember, investing in the stock market is about finding the right mix of investments that align with your goals and risk tolerance. So, explore your options, diversify your portfolio, and get ready to watch your investments grow. Investing in the stock market can be exciting, but it's not a game of chance. Before you hit that buy button, do your homework. Remember, you're buying a piece of a company, so you need to know what you're investing in. Start by researching the company's financials. How much money are they making? What are their future prospects? Read their annual reports, check out their websites, and see what analysts are saying. Knowledge is power. Don't rely solely on tips or rumors. Do your own independent research. Look for companies with a solid track record, strong management, and a competitive edge in their industry. Remember, investing is about making informed decisions, not following the crowd. By taking the time to research and understand your investments, you'll be making smarter decisions and increasing your chances of success in the stock market. So, put on your detective hat and start investigating. You don't need a fortune to start investing. In fact, starting small is often the best approach. Many brokerage accounts allow you to buy fractional shares, which means you can own a piece of a stock even if you can't afford the entire share. Start by investing an amount you're comfortable with, even if it's just a small portion of your savings. As you gain experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your investments. Remember, every little bit counts. Investing regularly, even with small amounts, can have a significant impact over time. Thanks to the power of compounding, your money will be working hard for you, generating returns on top of returns. So, don't let the fear of starting small hold you back. Take that first step, be consistent with your investments, and let the magic of compounding work its wonders. Let's talk about one of the most powerful forces in investing: compounding. It's like magic. But instead of pulling a rabbit out of a hat, it's about growing your money exponentially over time. Imagine this. You invest $100 today, and it earns a 10% return. Next year you have $110. But here's where the magic happens. The following year you earn a 10% return on $110, not just your original $100, and so on and so forth. Over time, even small amounts of money can grow significantly through the power of compounding. The longer you stay invested, the more your money will work for you. It's like a snowball effect for your wealth. Remember, time is your greatest ally in investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound and grow. So don't delay your financial future any longer. Start investing today and let compounding work its magic. Even the savviest investors make mistakes. But by learning from the mistakes of others, we can avoid common pitfalls and increase our chances of success. So let's talk about some bear traps to watch out for. One common mistake is emotional investing. It's easy to get caught up in the hype or panic of the market. But remember, successful investing is about making rational decisions based on facts, not feelings. Another mistake is timing the market. Trying to predict when the market will go up or down is like trying to predict the weather. It's nearly impossible to do consistently. Instead, focus on investing for the long term and ride out the market's fluctuations. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. By avoiding emotional decisions, staying disciplined with your strategy, and learning from your mistakes, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. Investing in the stock market can be an emotional roller coaster. There will be times when your investments are soaring high and times when they take a dip. The key is to stay calm and focused on your long-term goals. When the market is up, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement and make impulsive decisions. But remember, what goes up must come down. Don't let greed cloud your judgment. Conversely, when the market is down, it's easy to panic and sell everything. But remember, market downturns are a natural part of the cycle. Instead of reacting emotionally, view them as opportunities to buy stocks at discounted prices. Remember, investing is a test of patience and discipline. By staying focused on your long-term goals and not letting your emotions dictate your decisions, you'll be able to navigate the market's ups and downs with confidence. Congratulations, you've made it to the end of our crash course on investing in the stock market. You've learned the basics, explored different investment strategies, and discovered the power of compounding. Now, it's time to put your knowledge into action. Don't wait for the perfect time to start investing. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Remember, even small steps can lead to big results over time. Start by setting clear financial goals, choosing a brokerage account, and investing in companies you believe in. Stay informed, stay disciplined, and never stop learning. The world of investing awaits. Embrace the journey, enjoy the ride, and watch your wealth grow. Remember, you have the power to create the financial future you've always dreamed of. So what are you waiting for? Get started today. Booyah! You did it! You've taken the first step towards securing your financial future. Investing in the stock market can feel like navigating a jungle, but with the right knowledge and a little bit of courage, you can conquer it. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay informed, be patient, and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. There are countless resources available to guide you on your investment journey. Now go out there and make those dreams a reality. I'm talking early retirement, that vacation home in Aspen, the works. The stock market is your oyster. Start investing today and watch your wealth grow, one smart decision at a time. Don't forget to check out our recommended videos and subscribe for more investment tips and guidance.